Nagpalang Miyerkules, aking mga ka-YouTube. Eto guys, ayan yung aking Acerola cherry ha. Flex ko lang sa inyo. Do you know guys, na meron akong bisita dyan. And we're taking care of them. Both of them. And I want to introduce to you our Pasonata African lovebirds. And there it is. Ayan siya guys. Ayan sila guys. Oh. See guys. Ayan sila. Ayan ang aming alagang lovebird. Ayan siya guys. Para naman maka-interact siya sa nature. Dito namin siya nilagay sa puno ng aming Acerola cherry. Kasi this Acerola cherry is growing bigger. Bigger and bigger siya. Para siyang umbrella. So, we put them there para nag-i-interact sa nature. Ayan guys, ang kanyang katawan ng aking Acerola. And then, dyan namin sila nilagay. Di ba guys, it's so nice. Ayan silang dalawa, oh. Ayun. Tapos, ito yung kanilang little apartment. By the way, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Mami Alona. Ayan guys, silang dalawa, oh. See? They're living there. O, yung isang hiya, pumasok sa loob. Ayan, guys. Ayan sila. O, diba? Kasi, we're going to hang them in front of our door or in the side. Parang hindi cute eh. But this time, parang makita nilang nandun sila sa nature. Ayan, guys. O, alam nilang nasa puno sila nakatira. Diba? We put the cage over there. Ayan guys sila, o diba? Diba? Mararamdaman nila yung nature. Kasi medyo malaki na tong aking Acerola cherry. And for quite some time, it's moving because of the air. Ayan sila guys, oh. How about that guys? O, tingnan mo, oh. I was the one who decided to put the cage over here sa tree. Para sabi ko nga sa akin son, na para makapag-interact sila sa nature. At the same time, nakakatawa every morning, every time I open the door, the window, kumakanta na silang dalawa. They're so happy. Para bang wino-welcome nila kami every time. And there's our window. Yan, ayan ang window namin. Ayan, kasi tapat siya ng Acerola cherry. So, I put both of them there. Ayan siya guys. O, tingnan mo, cute nila. O, laki ng bata. At saka alam nyo ba guys, this is a stress reliever tree. Stress reliever bird. Ayan guys, o. Pag medyo stress ka, just take a look at both of them. Kasi minsan nagkikiss sila. Kasi nga, they are lovebirds, diba? O, tapos guys, o, sa paligid niya is, ayan, yung kanyang house nila. O, see? You see the the voice of the bird. Ayun na ba kanya ang cute-cute, oh, diba? Diba? Oh, come on. What's up? Oh, yung sweet naman nilang dalawa. Ayan sila guys. So, oh, I'll put it nearer. Hi guys. This is Mami Alona. Tell the viewers to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Hello. Soon, pag nagka-baby na sila, i-share ko din po sa inyo. Actually, this is quite expensive eh. Medyo price ito kasi nga, pag malaki na siya, yan, mga ganito, basta, I won't mention the price na. Ayan guys, o, diba? Diba? Oh, nasa nature siya, sa ilalim siya ng puno. Yan, that's my Acerola cherry. And once in a while, guys, binibigyan namin siya ng bunga para meron silang kinakain aside from their food, yung pang bird foods. Yan, guys. Yung mga cute, diba, guys? That's all for the day, guys. This is Mami Alona. Ayan, guys, oh, pantanggal na stress namin kasi alam mo naman kami, oldies at goodies na. Pag naiinip ka, you feel bored, o, tignan mo lang sila. Pinapanood lang namin sila dito sa loob ng cage. Diba? They're so cute. Hello guys. Hello both of you. Hello, lovers. O, ito naman, nalilisik yung mata. Marunong ko, alam na binibidyo silang dalawa. O. Cute, di ba? Cute. Hindi ako pet lover, hindi ako bird lover, pero natutuwa ako sa kanila. And this is something that can release my stress once in a while. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube Mami Elona's YouTube channel. Hi guys. Diba? Umuuga yung ano. See guys, inuuga ng hangin. And they can feel the nature. Tsaka ito daw kasi guys, ang characteristics daw nito, ayaw nito ng maingay. So, we're not noisy naman in the house eh. Only the voice of my little boy na I'm taking care of, medyo makulit lang. Pero, maybe it won't stress them. Ayan, diba? Kaya pinalagay ko sa puno. And sometimes guys, pinupuntahan siya ng other birds doon sa ibabaw. Kasi marami kaming bird dito. Which is I'm very lucky kasi hindi na na-experience ng ibang tao yun guys, na nakakarinig ka pa ng hum ng birds. Ako still naririnig ko pa din sa umaga kasi minsan dinadayo sila, minsan mga 10 yan nasa ibabaw because their purpose talaga is to eat fruits ng aking acerola cherry. It's okay, sinishare ko sa nature, sinishare ko sa kanila yung bunga. It's okay lang. According to my partner, lagi daw namin siya nakikitang ibon. Sabi ko, it's okay, it's fine. Para na ma-share din tayo ni Lord ng mga blessings. Kasi diba ito? Hi guys, nakatingin Look at the big eyes. Actually, they look like a parrot eh. Narinig nyo ba guys? May managuhunang ibang ibon. Sabi niya, hi visitors. Sabi naman nila, well, we're not visitors, we're residents here. Ayan ang aking acerola cherries. Diba guys? Diba? And that's all for the day. Please guys, subscribe on my YouTube channel at isi-share ko sa inyo. Pag etong dalawang to is may mga babies na. Diba? Have a safe day everyone. God bless. Tingnan mo isa pakit ng pakyot. Bye. Stay healthy everyone. God bless.